Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to be looking at the difference between atomic number and mass number. Typically you will see the element over here, whatever the element is, the mass number will be up top and the atomic number will be on the bottom. What is the atomic number? Well, the atomic number is going to be the number of protons found in an atom. And because all the atoms of the same element have the same number of protons, we use it to identify the elements. The number of protons is used to identify. And if you look at your periodic table, let's see if we can pull one of those suckers up. Let's see the table. All these numbers you see up here are the atomic number or the number of protons. And you can see that that's how the whole thing is pretty much structured. Okay? So if it's not an ion indicated by a plus or a minus sign, the atomic number can also tell you the number of electrons that are present. Okay. Now, if it's a cation, for instance, what happens when we form a cation? Well, we've lost an electron. And because it's due to a loss of an electron, then we have to subtract from this atomic number to get the number of total electrons. So let's say it's let's get our periodic table over here, and let's look at carbon. Carbon has an atomic number of 6. So as long as it's not an ion of carbon, then we have 6 protons and 6 electrons. Okay, had it been a plus sign there, that means we have 6 protons and we lost 1 electron to get this plus sign, so it would be 5 electrons. Had it been a minus sign there, it would be 6 protons and we gained an electron, so it would be 7 electrons. Okay, so that's what the next part of this is leading to. So if it's an anion, like this example up here, what you do is you take the number that's after the minus sign, and if there's no number there, it's implied to be a 1. Okay, it could have been easily a -2. Then you would add whatever that is to your atomic number. Okay, because we're gaining electrons when we form an anion. All right. And then finally, the mass number. Well, what is the mass number used for? Well, the mass number by definition is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Don't confuse this with the atomic mass. That has to do with the isotope abundance, and I'll talk about that in a different video. Okay, it's often confused. The only element that has the same atomic number and mass number is carbon-12. Okay, they both have 6 and 6.